Hey everyone, Randy Dawn and a marathon coach. We're still up here at Hearthside Grove. Happy Labor Day weekend.
Yeah.
And we thought this week we would talk a little bit about the Prevost chassis.
Yeah, an important part of why Marathon is such an incredible motor coach to own. So what we want to talk about today is the difference. So behind us you can see the D13 Volvo engine, 500 horse, 1750 in foot-pound torque. Great engine. They've been using this since about, I would say 2010 area is when they switched over to the Volvo. So, and this 18 still has the fan clutch. In the newer coaches, Volvo has gone to DC fans, which you gain, they say that the belt takes about 60 horsepower. So that's another great feature. But what we really want to talk about today is why is the Prevost Marathon conversion such an amazing ride? And if you're not aware, Prevost is a unibody structure. It's one piece. It's surgical stainless steel that they take and they build one body out of it. So you don't take, in most coaches, you have a chassis. You have a chassis with two beams, and then you build on top of that. So if something happens, it's very easy for that to come off or whatever. We're in a Prevost chassis.
So what you're saying is it's like a steel frame on the bottom or whatever it's made out of, and then like a box put on the top of it.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, a box made out of, sometimes they build them out of wood. So if you can about imagine what can happen if you have an accident, what can happen to that coach and the damage that can happen. Yeah. We're in a Prevost chassis, it's like a roll cage, you could really say.
Oh, okay.
This thing is like a roll cage. So if something happens or you get hit, it doesn't fall apart. It's very safe.
Very safe.
Yeah.
Well, I can imagine the regulations Prevost has.
Yeah, because these are built as commercial buses.
Right.
This H model right behind us is made to carry 56 people and carry them very safely. So if you buy a Prevost, the two of you get the advantage of the safety that is built into this for a lot of people to ride. So, and in the X model, the X3, the new X3, it's used for entertainers. So you can imagine there's...
So if you buy an X3, you can be a rock star.
You can be a rock star, yeah. Exactly. And you think about it, it's built for bunks. So they have 12 bunks and people need to sleep. So it needs to be very quiet going down the road and smooth. So, and you can imagine when you take two beams and you build a box on top of it, how it when it goes like this, things inside are gonna break, they're gonna come loose. And that's why you can buy an older Prevost. My first Prevost was an '89 Marathon, and all the cabinets and everything were just so still put together. It was amazing. And that's the important thing to know when it comes to buying a coach. You can buy a 10, 15-year-old Marathon Prevost, and it's still going to perform and be a wonderful ride. So we just wanted to give you a little bit of an education on that. Okay. And we hope to give you some more episodes where we show you maybe how Prevost shells have evolved over the years. There used to be the old X model. Had the rivets till about 2000, then from 2000 on they went to the X2, and now we have the X3. So
I'm learning right with you.
Yeah. So and I think we have a coach here at Hearthside this weekend, and I think is one of our favorites. It's an old X riveted coach, and the colors, and it's still nostalgic and so wonderful, and it's just...
What year do you think that one is?
Oh, I'm guessing it's 80s, something in the 80s, probably,
cool.
87, 88.
Yeah.
But it's a non-slide coach. Prevost didn't start doing slides till about 2000 is when they did it, because they had to do it right. They didn't want to just, do it because everyone else was doing it. So about 2000 is when Prevost started doing slides. So we just wanted to give you a little bit of an education why a Marathon motor coach rides so well, so safe, and long-lasting. I mean, it's made to go 1,000,000 miles. It's going to go a long, long ways, and you're going to enjoy an incredible ride because of it. So,
good information.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
very cool.
Hope everyone's having a wonderful Labor Day weekend and enjoying it. The last time people saying goodbye as they're going through. It's a Marathon owner, Sid and Judy. Hello, Sid and Judy. So, yeah, and if there's anything else you want to know that we can tell you about the Prevost chassis, just communicate with us, and we'll see if we can get you that information. So thanks for watching Randy Dawn and a Marathon Coach.